everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Laura. We're going somewhere we don't usually go today, Dollar Tree. I looked online and there are lots of fall and autumn decor items and goodies. I want to see it in person and show you what they have. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning guest, you're always welcome to come shopping with me. $1.50 for a 6-foot fabric garland. That's really cute. They have it in a football style as well. That is precious. Love that. Beautiful fall colors. That is a great value. $1.50. They also have bead garlands for $1.50. That one has pumpkins. They have one with acorns on it. These are beautiful hanging signs. $1.50 each. Different varieties in that. This is beautiful. For only $1.50. Wow, I really like that. That looks like something you would find at Kirkland's. Now you can tell some of them, you get the feeling, okay, that came from a dollar store, but some of these could really be passed off as high end. These are cute. Plush pumpkins for $1.50. Two different styles in that. These are also very cute. Again, this looks like something you would find at Kirkland's. This does not look Dollar Tree. It doesn't scream Dollar Tree for just $1.50. They also have that in Acorn Harvest. These are almost sold out, so a lot of people have been eyeballing these. I'm really impressed with the quality of these items at Dollar Tree today. Lots of fall bargains. These little wooden signs, my gracious, those are adorable. They have some felt work on there. Also, $1.50. $1.50 for these large signs. There's a lot to take in here today. You know, this is not the press wood. This is real wood. Also $1.50. Three-dimensional pumpkins. They have orange, white, and back here in the back there is green. $1.50 for these little tin signs. Cute. And tie-on pumpkins for $1.50. Those are foam, very lightweight. They have those in white, orange, nutmeg, and then up here is a bright orange. I like the vivid orange. Beautiful wreath hangers for $1.50. You won't find that price anywhere else. Those are gorgeous. This is a super large ghost wood cutout for $1.50. They also have a pumpkin that you could customize and paint. These are a little bit smaller, still pretty big though, about 8 to 10 inches. $1.50 for these. This is cute. Wouldn't those be fun to paint or even decoupage? That could be beautiful. Oh my goodness, I just came upon these little baby booties for $1.50. They have grippy bottoms. They have pumpkins. How cute are these little candy corns? Little black and white ghosties and gray. And look at these little pink and purple ghosties. So cute. What a great little gift idea. There's a neat little door hanger. It has some bells. I don't know if you can see. There's a little bit of a glare from the lights. $1.50. Has a little acorn bell and some pine cones. Those are pretty cute. And there are some flocked garlands. That's a 6-foot garland for only $3. Love these green pumpkins. They have a variety of colors. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is with the little footballs. 6-foot garlands, $3. This is beautiful. 20 count LED leaf lights. Isn't that beautiful? $5 is all that you would pay for that. Requires 2 AA batteries. They have several of those in stock at the moment, but I bet those are going to sell out quickly. Metal spinner for $7. This is neat. 2-tiered tray. So it looks like an acorn, but you stack it up and it makes a tray. That's $7. $7. These do light up. They have a little light bulb inside, a little LED light. Those are beautiful, as are these little metal signs, stand signs. Those are $7 each. They also have that available in white. Here's a tricolor. That's gorgeous for $7. Only $6 for these light up candle lanterns. You could dress those up for fall, Christmas. Isn't this a beautiful centerpiece? That's only $5. Again, some of this stuff looks like it's pretty enough to be found at a high dollar store. Nobody would have to know that it came from Dollar Tree. Beautiful. These are gorgeous. Tabletop decor, $5. Now the bottom of these are hollow. So you could put one of those little LED flicker candles under those. These centerpieces are also $5. Come in a little wooden box. All of these are just $5. Absolutely beautiful, but they won't last long. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you see things like these before they sell out. These little houses are only $7. They do light up. How cute is that? Little resin houses. I love these so much. Wouldn't those be precious on a mantle? $5 for these fleecy pillows. That's so cute. These printed plush throws are $5 for the 70-inch table runners. That is a superb deal. They also have some really cute stand signs or porch signs. I believe they're $7.50. They could be $5. Look at the football themed welcome sign. That's gorgeous. Such great prices. There's also some doormats. Now these are smaller. Don't see a price. Can't get to the bottom. I'm guessing they're either $5 or $7.50. That's cute. I love this with the vivid pumpkins. Harvest blessings. Isn't that pretty? They're fine to use outside, but they may be more suitable. Oh, that's gorgeous. I just keep finding more. They may be more suitable indoor. It'd hold up a lot better. Here's some bittersweet and mom sprigs. I don't see a price on them. Wouldn't think they would be more than $1.25. These are really cute metal wheelbarrows. Wouldn't those make a cute centerpiece? Those are $7. A couple of candles, not many. $1.50. This is cashmere vanilla. Nice. Smells very spicy. And autumn cranberry. Very similar in scent. Some more light up leaves for $5. And back here in the candles, $1.25 for this cute little candle wrap. Lots of these lanterns for only $5. Those used to cost so much. You remember when they first came out, they first got popular, those were so expensive. Now you can get them for $5, or even those smaller ones are $3. Wow, look at these. I'm so glad I came back here, or I would have missed these. $5. That is so cool. It has it's a candle, it's wax, but then there's a little lantern candle inside in the middle. Those are $5. They have that in maroon and then this amber color. They smell very nice as well. How neat. Here's a great deal for you crafters. $1.75 for a pumpkin wreath form. That is so nice. They also have regular ones for $1.75, 18-inch diameter. They also have a smaller one down here, 14-inch diameter wreath form. Some giant hurricane bases or candle holders up here. They're only $5. Smaller ones for $3. Here's a nice display. $5. Floral garden. These are beautiful. Floral picks for $5. You get a whole bouquet. These are really cute. These are metal candy bowl figures for $7 each. They have that in pumpkin and skeleton. Ceramic light up LED trees down here for $7 each. Those are wooden. I believe those are $7. Yep, also $7.50 for these cute little scarecrow picks. They have little women and little men, and then the larger ones are $7.50. Cute hanging signs down here for $1.50, and some metal pumpkin picks. These are $1.50 each. They have green pumpkins. There's a little gnome. There's also a white pumpkin back there. Some more garland. This is a maple pumpkin garland for $1.50. Doesn't have the size on there. It's either 4 or 6 feet long. There's some smaller wall hangers for $1.50. Beaded garlands. $1.50 for the harvest pumpkins. These are foam core painted, and they have some with a little bit of sparkle. So beautiful. And they have variety picks for $1.50. Very cute. Looks like you get either 1 large pumpkin or 3 small pumpkins per pick. Some ceramic pumpkins for $1.50 in a few different varieties. These are cute. A little pumpkin canister for $1.50. These are great prices, and some of these look high-end. These are super cute. I could see those on a desk with some treats. Tabletop decor. I believe those are $1.50. Hello Pumpkin tabletop decor signs. Those are wooden, $1.50. And these guys are adorable for $1.50. Little shelf sitters. I can't believe those are $1.50. Here's a raccoon. Uh-oh, Mr. Fox is missing an eye. Lots of fall crafts. You guys are going to love that. Let's take a closer look. 150 Hello Spooky Season paperboard paint set. I have that in a few different designs. Let's see, there's one more down here. Color your own ornaments for $1.50. I like the cat. That one's fun. The hat. Oh, these are neat. 43-piece stickers for $1.50. There's some creepy bows for $1.50. I don't really do creepy, but I know some of you do. More pumpkin decorating kits. There's a silly face. I like the silly faces. Not really big into scary, but I'll do silly. And an LED taper candle with spiders for $1.50. Tinsel stems. We always called those pipe cleaners for $1.50. They have those in fall and Halloween colors. And storybooks. Mr. Funny Bones. Huh. Let's take a peek in here. Okay. Looks like silly Halloween storybooks. I don't see a price. I believe they're $1.50. Halloween and fall ribbon. This is 2.5-inch ribbon. Some of it is wired, some of it isn't. For $1.50. Oh, this is pretty. Disney Princess Coloring and Activity with glow-in-the-dark stickers. Fall Magic. That's also $1.50. Let's see, where are the stickers? There they are. Fun. There's also a Make-A-Face sticker book. These little figurines are $1.50. Man, everything's $1.50, isn't it? There's a spider kit, felt craft kit. I think those are all spiders. And then there is a bat felt craft kit for $1.50. Decorative mesh, if you do wreaths. Those are beautiful colors for $1.25. Little bottle bush trees. It says glow in the dark. Huh. Skull candle holders. Mini LED candle lanterns. Those are adorable. You can almost dress those up and put them on a Christmas tree. Fall themed straw toppers for just $1.50. And here's a little pom-pom craft kit for $1.50. Little owl, $1.50 for these craft kits. Looks like it's a sticker wall hanger. There's also this one. Hello Autumn. This is adorable with the woodland creatures. It's an 8-inch craft kit for $1.50. And they have a happy pumpkin down here, also for $1.50. I think the kids would love that. $1.50 comes with markers. There's another design back here. $1.50 for this felt craft kit. That looks like lots of fun. It's pretty cute. For $1.50, these pretty ombre tumblers. Those are plastic. And some creepy placemats. $1.50. There's a spider web, and then down here, don't care for the skull and crossbones. Sorry if you do. It's just not my thing. $1.50 for the jack-o'-lantern. And $1.50 for a lace table runner. I know that's going to be hard to see. There's the design. Well, these are nice little buckets too for $1.50. Little tin buckets. Autumn harvest and Halloween soap pumps for $1.50. I like the apple and the acorn. That's really heavy. Oh, it has soap in it. Balsam firewood scented. What a great value for $1.50, and you could refill those. There's some little Halloween trees for $1.50. So apparently people do Halloween trees just like Christmas trees. Skeleton tongs. It's very interesting, but that would be neat looking all lit up. These LED pillar candles as well. I believe all of this is $1.50. This isn't fall, but I thought I'd give you a sneak peek. Some winter and Christmas. Great stocking stuffers. No, it's early, but I wanted to show you before they sell out. $1.25 for these 3D erasers. They also have some that aren't so Christmassy. And back here in the craft department, I found these neat 2-pack wall shelves. Kind of a macrame project. $1.50. They also have this neat metallic wall hanger that you could customize. Again, not fall, but I always want to show you guys if I find something super cute. $5 for this little toy tool set. I think that is adorable. A couple different variations in that. And Dollar Tree is fully stocked and has great deals on everything you need for your classroom. There are things for classroom, bulletin boards, seasonal items, and all of these are just $1.25. Here's some pretty fall storage options for $4. And it looks like I found another aisle of Halloween and fall decor. $7 for this yard decor fence. Those are only $5. A hairy green spider. Ew. That guy's posable for $3. I just don't like the creepy stuff. $5 for the metal cutouts. An easel sign for $5. These things are $3. LED bone lantern for $7. Pillar candles, a set of 3 for $5. Those are nice. Misting potion cauldron, $5. There are some spooky trees up there for $7. And a mist maker lighted house for $7. Some treat trays for $5. $7 for these spooky fleece throws. Spider pom-pom garland is $3. And they also have that in little ghosties. These are cute drink dispensers for $7. They're plastic, BPA free. This is a jack-o'-lantern. This one has hands on it. And there are some pumpkins. And down here, look at this. Look at the football. That is great. Football cold drink dispenser, $7. They also have acorns. And $3 for a variety of vinyl tablecloths. 20-count skeleton light set for $7. Some trick-or-treat pumpkins for $3. Crawling monster hand, ew, $7. Or was it the Munsters or the Addams Family? I can't remember that thing, the hand that crawled, minus the blood. These are $5. Throw pillows down here. Oh, I almost missed. $5 for crocheted pumpkins or foam gourds. All of these plushies are $5. Beautiful throw pillows. And then up here, there's a couple of fall wreaths for $7. It's a 20-inch wreath. They also have this fall floral wreath in neutrals. $125 for all of these, even these 2 or 4 pack votive holders. Those are cute stem votive holders. There's some amber and black candle holders. And I'm going to point out the lighters are only $150. The reason I'm pointing that out is I tried to find these at Walmart and they were so expensive and hard to find. So Dollar Tree is a good place to get your candle lighters. And some more miniature sets for $5. Halloween socks for the bigger kids, or $125 is what that says. Pumpkins. That's cute. Little cowboy skeleton. Thick, warm, cozy socks for the bigger kids. And there are adult-size crew socks for $150 as well. Skateboarding skeletons, ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts at the bottom. I don't see a price on these, but there are squishy stretch monsters, and I know kids would love them, and they love squishies right now, so I'm sure these would be a hit. Wouldn't think they'd be more than $1.50, $1.75. And would you believe that Dollar Tree even has beautiful fall tableware? $150 for these lovely oversized mugs. Also $150. Sunflower stoneware plates. Royal Norfolk. There's lots of plastic chargers down here for $150. This is a cute little plate. Be happy. I think most of these are $150. Look at these gorgeous bowls. That is stunning. Who would have thought at Dollar Tree? $150 for that lovely bowl. These are full-size dinner plates. It's really cute. Also Royal Norfolk. They also have that in salad plate size and saucers. There's some cute bowls up there. These are beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. I love these autumn leaves for just $1.50 on mugs. And some more cute little sunflower salad plates or saucers down here. You see one little oven mitt down here. Very cute. It has a red dot. I think that means it's $1.50. I think that's going to do it today for Dollar Tree. This has been fun. I don't come very often and I'm always surprised at the quality of some of the items they have. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's just as important so you know the moment I publish a brand new video, so you won't be late for these sales before they sell out. Share to say thank you. Like the video. That's so encouraging. And if you're on your phone, be sure to hit the hype button if you're able. That helps put gas in my car so I can continue shopping for those who can't get out as often as they like or as often as they used to be able to. All right, everybody, I should be back with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care and God bless.